Hello from Bdgt-Soft, an easy calendar budget, the powerful, easy-to-use personal budget spreadsheet. This is a quick tutorial on how to set up Easy Calendar Budget Standard US Edition for Excel for Microsoft 365. Check out the description box for more information. Follow these 4 easy steps to set up your calendar. Step 1. Read and agree to terms and conditions on the Terms worksheet. Then, select the Calendar Worksheet tab. Step 2. From the Calendar worksheet, enter the date in cell G1 to set your calendar. Step 3. Follow the prompt in cell H1 to enter your budget start balance. And Step 4. Rename default expenses in cells C9 through C26, which you can do 2 ways. You can rename all default expenses. Or, for more flexibility, you can leave some of them blank and name them later in the calendar. For example, you could rename just your weekly expenses and leave your monthly expenses blank, entering them as needed. You can also rename any expense for a particular day later in the calendar for either method. That completes calendar setup. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, or subscribe if you found this video useful. And thanks for choosing Easy Calendar Budget.